Hi guys, Sean here, Lead FPA. We've got a question this week which I'm going to try and answer in 60 seconds or less. Question is, will I get a job with this certification? Okay, so I get this question a couple of times on the phones, now and again over email. So let's address this here in video for anybody who's got a similar question. So these people want to guarantee that if they come here and they do the course, that they're going to get a job at the end. So let's just take that for a second. The accreditation you get here is REPS accredited course. You know, the syllabus and the education, I think, is way above any standard. And a lot of the students who come here and leave here and go out to get jobs say that they feel much more prepared because of the education they got here. The workshops that we do mean that you're exposed to lots of different training. So, I mean, there is everything you need to put yourself in the best position to get a job. It's a REPS accredited course. It's internationally recognized, and it's got all the kind of education you need to set you apart from every other personal trainer out there. So you've got everything you need to go out and get yourself a job. The rest, I suppose, is kind of down to you. I think you have to try pretty hard to mess things up with that kind of a start. But the other thing is there's no guarantees in life. I mean, if you go to a university, does the university guarantee that if you do law and you study 4 or 5 years or however many bloody years it is to study law these days, does that mean that you're going to get a job as a lawyer? No. They just guarantee that the education is of a standard, and that's the best we can really do because the rest is kind of down to you. Are you applying and implementing the kind of stuff and knowledge that you got on course to the best of your ability? So yeah, it is down to you. Now, I suppose another angle from this is people are maybe a wee bit frightened that when they go out there, they're kind of on their own. And for me, knowing and having been in that position myself, you know, starting off from nothing, making 150 quid a week some weeks and building from absolute nothing, building a business from the ground up can be scary. I think there's a lot of people who just think that if you get your personal trainer cert, you're going to go out there and you're going to be earning 30, 40, maybe even 50K, and they just expect that this is going to be the case. They're not willing to put in the work, and they're focused on this event that if they get the course, the outcome is going to be, or the output is going to be, you've got a guaranteed job is going to provide you 50 grand. They're not looking at the process that some people put in, you know, years of work to try and get themselves to a level, building up clients, maybe just trying to get 1 or 2 clients every month and building up a good client base that produces enough sessions to get you to an income level that's sustainable and then to keep growing from there. So for me, these people maybe haven't looked at a plan or they haven't got any plan whatsoever other than just get a course. So for those people who are thinking about, will you get a job? You need to sit down and plan out what you're going to do when the certification's over. Because let me tell you something, when the course is over and the door closes behind you, you've got your cert in your hand, you're going to be thinking, now what? So if you haven't already started thinking about that point, it's going to be too late. When the course is over, you need to be planning for it now. Figure out yourself how many clients do you need to get to the earning potential or your earning potential that gives you the lifestyle that you need or require to live. And think about how many sessions that is, how many sales that is, how many leads that is, and then start thinking about how you're going to accumulate enough leads, close enough sales to get yourself a good start in the business. So, yes, certifications are definitely a requirement. You have to have them, but you need a plan. You need a workable plan that you can rely on that's going to give you enough income at the other side to be able to pay your rent in the gym or to get you into the best position to get a job. So I hope we've covered that. I'll put some links down below to some resources that I think can help you do that. And if there's any more questions, keep them coming. I'll love answering them. Speak to you soon.